So allow them to go and prepare where to put their load for 2 weeks and come back later and come and do the demolition.
That's fine.
Here, as you can see, Nigerians and mainly residents of Oworonshoki, they are organized here today in protest against the ongoing demolition happening presently in their community. And the reason these demolitions are happening is very simple. It is because some rich people feel privileged and entitled to lands and properties of ordinary people who they feel are defenseless to resist. What they are trying to do is to demolish poor communities in order to build for themselves lavish and expensive housing. You understand? So this is the end goal. Today they have made thousands of communities. They have made them homeless. Thousands of people. Whereas housing is a right.
The CP on the line. I am a traveler. Currently, we are here at Oworonshoki bus stop. Everywhere is being stocked. While we try to inquire from the protesters, they said that their houses were being demolished overnight without informing them. So currently now that they are urging the government to do something about it, please, you guys have to be informed that currently now Oworonshoki bus stop is blocked with the traveler. We are being stuck in traffic over an hour plus now. There is no movement. Please, government should do something about this before it will turn another thing, so that there won't be fight. My name is Gabriel Matthew.
I'm here because they demolished our house in the midnight. They come in the midnight, 12 a.m. They were just waking us. We should pack our load and vacate our house, that they want to demolish it without notice. Without notice, 2 houses, and we have CFO. We have a genuine CFO. And they still demolish our house. They have to tell us that our CFO is nothing, that we are very stupid for having CFO. That's what they said. They don't have any reason. They don't even give us any reason. Our king said we should go and renovate our house, and we renovated it. After renovating it, they still demolish it. They still demolish it. I have a house there and a church. My name is Olajide Esther.
No. Yes. I'm listing area community. And I'm listening to you. To know what is because I've said then you say no. You say I'm not coming.
I mean, so and that's why I have to say, because you are that we have to protect. I hope I'm right. And we have to protect you and everything. So and that's why I said so tonight. So I don't know, maybe it's one person so that two people. Okay, so.
So allow them to go and prepare where to put their load for 2 weeks and come back later and come and do the demolition.
That is so